In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to randomize Google Slides. Randomizing slides is a quick way to shuffle the order of your content for activities like quizzes, bell ringers, or presentations where you want a fresh sequence each time. I'll walk you through the exact steps and share a few helpful tips so everything goes smoothly. Start by going to Google Slides. You can open it directly in your browser or access it from your Google Drive. Either way is fine. Once you're in Google Slides, look over the recent section and click the presentation you want to shuffle. If this is a deck you've carefully arranged, consider making a copy first so you keep an original version in its current order. That way you can experiment without worry. With your presentation open, look toward the top of the screen for the Extensions menu in the toolbar. It's in the same row as File, Edit, and Tools. Click Extensions to open the list of tools available for your presentation. From there, find the option labeled Randomize Slides. This is an add-on that lives inside the Extensions menu and is designed specifically to shuffle the slide order for you. Click Randomize Slides to start the shuffle. The add-on will process your deck and reorder the slides automatically. In most cases, this takes just a moment, and then you'll see your slides rearranged in a new randomized sequence. All of your content stays intact. Text, images, and transitions remain attached to the slides they were originally on. Only the order changes. If you change your mind or want to try a different shuffle, you can use undo right away or open version history to restore an earlier arrangement. That's especially handy if you're running multiple versions of an activity and want to reset the deck between groups. As a best practice, keep title or instruction slides clearly labeled so you can quickly spot them after a shuffle. If you prefer to keep an introductory slide at the beginning, you can move it back to the top after randomizing. It won't affect the rest of the randomized order. That's all there is to it. Go to Google Slides, open your recent presentation, use the Extensions menu, select the Randomize Slides add-on, and click Randomize Slides. It's fast, reversible, and perfect for keeping your sessions dynamic. Thanks for watching, and enjoy presenting with a fresh order every time.